Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick unveiling video for Crypto.com. It's a nice little blockchain, program that they send you a pretty much a prepaid card to spend and use it to gain more crypto. And I actually got one previously to that, the non-staked version, and which I'll show you. And it's nice, pretty. It's considered a black card. And now I got this brand new one. So let's just open it. I originally had a stand, but that kind of broke on me, so forgive me for doing it this way. But I just want to do a unboxing video or unwrapping video where I'm totally not prepared. Totally not prepared for this. And I'm doing this because it's an awesome package. Check it out! Check it out! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I ruined that. Yep. Yeah, they're never gonna send me one again with this brutalness of this. Dun 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 dun. Check it out. It's now rose red, where my original one was just a blue type color. Check it out. Check it out. Dun 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 dun. 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 Yep, that was just a quick little unboxing video. The first one came in the cool box, and I'm like, oh man, I should have made a little video about this, and I didn't, and I kind of regretted that. So when I upgraded, I decided to make a cute little video about it. So later, everyone.